How to fix Instagram poll not showing results. So hello guys, today I'm going to talk about how to fix Instagram poll not showing results. So to fix Instagram poll results not showing, what you can do is quickly first close the app and relaunch it. Just open your Instagram app, and if your poll is not showing in your Instagram app, just swipe up from the bottom of your screen and then swipe it up again to close it from your multitasking screen, and then reopen the app. Now the next what you can do is update the app to the latest version. Just go to your Google Play Store, Apple App Store, and then find Instagram. And if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version. Now the next thing what you can do is open your Instagram app, then go to your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen, then tap on three-line menu at the top right, then tap on archive. Now make sure that you're viewing your stories archive. Select the archived stories containing the poll to review the final tallies. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.